Lexus South Pointe is offering this certified pre-owned 2020 Lexus NX 300H executive package in Caviar with black interior. It's an all-wheel drive hybrid SUV that's powered by a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine that produces 195 horsepower. It gets terrific gas mileage, 7.5 liters per 100 kilometer or 38 miles per gallon, and it also takes regular gas, not premium. Features specific to this trim level include panoramic view monitor, power folding rear seats that are also heated, wireless charging, premium triple LED headlights, rain sensing wipers, unique 18-inch alloy wheels. Heads-up display will tell you information like how fast you're going, direction of travel, and various safety features. And lastly, power back door with kick sensor. With a simple kick, the tailgate will open and close. You also get new levels of convenience, safety, and technology that are new for 2020. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard. Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0 is the next wave of safety features, and Lexus Remote Connect allows you to remote start your vehicle from the convenience of your smartphone. It has just over 46,000 kilometers. It has been serviced regularly at Lexus South Pointe. Here is a nice screenshot showing the service history. And when looking at the Carfax, it has a clean history with only one owner. For more information or to set up a test drive, call us at 780-989-2222 or email sales@lexussp.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle and our dealership. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.